Hello! Welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for Earth Sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Take only what resonates. Bale, hindi po ito magre-resonate sa lahat, unfortunately. So, kunin mo lang yung mga messages na magre-resonate para sa'yo. Para dun sa mga gusto mo pa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, yun yung friend ko. Pero kung gusto mo sa akin, Madam Space P as in Princess, and then lagyan mo na lang din ng space pa sa dulo para mas madali siyang ma-search sa Facebook. Yun yung Facebook page namin. May mga admins ako na mag-a-assist sa'yo. So, let's start. This is for the sign of Earth sign. Meron din po kaming email, virgophilippines@gmail.com. Kung ayaw mo ng ganitong klaseng reading, pwede naman. Pwede ka mag-next video or pwede kang mag-exit dito sa video na to. And kung hindi ka pa nakaka-subscribe, pa-subscribe na lang guys, pa-comment. Positive comments lang guys ha. Hindi po ako nag-accept ng negative comments. And dinidelete po talaga namin yan. So what do we have here for the sign of Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn? Kunin natin yung main energy mo, Earth sign. Okay, your main energy is the Four of Pentacles, followed by the Death card. This is Scorpio energy, Taurus, Capricorn, Virgo. Bottom of the deck is the Knight of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. I can see dito sa energy na ito, yung iba pwedeng may mga sinisimulan. Regarding the Four of Pentacles, maybe this is ipon. This is money. This is money. Tapos, pwedeng may mga bagay kang sinisimulan dito. And nakikita natin, you are acting fast regarding dito sa bagay na ito. Yan, some kind of new adventure, new journey para sa'yo. Yung iba, maybe a new business. Yung iba might be nagsisimula pa lang mag-ipon regarding something kasi pwedeng may mga iniisip kang something na may kinalaman sa pagta-travel. Or yun nga, something new. Sino tong person na kakonect mo pagdating sa love? Person na kakonect ni Earth sign pagdating sa love. Pwede magkapalit-palit ang roles, guys, ha? Okay. Person na kakonect mo, you do have here the Queen of Cups. This is Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. You do have here the Eight of Swords. And the Two of Wands. Okay. You could be dealing with someone who is stuck. Yan. But, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng itong person is nagkakaroon na ng pagpaplano na umalis sa relationship or sa connection. The Six of Swords is here. So, maybe this person is moving on. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng dalawang situation na nakukuha ko eh. Pwedeng if you're dealing with someone na hanggang ngayon may relasyon pa kayo, this person wants to get out dun sa relasyon ninyo. And then, on the other hand, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng nag-iipon na to have this Death card energy to start fresh. So, pwedeng nag-iipon para pag nagkaroon ng ending or if ever yung iba nagka-ending na nagfo-focus sa new beginning sa sarili mo. Okay, but some of you could be dealing with someone who is in a relationship and then yung iba, pwedeng itong person na to gusto nang umalis doon sa relationship na yon and then, nagkakaroon siya ng pagpaplano regarding dito. Ano yung emosyon niyo sa isa't isa for the sign of Earth sign? Emosyon niyo sa isa't isa. So, kunin mo lang yung mga magre-resonate sa iyo kasi unfortunately, hindi ko talaga makakuha lahat ng energy ng Earth sign sa mundo. King of Cups is here. You do love this person. Pwedeng vocal or open ka doon with the Page of Wands. Pwedeng open. You could be dealing with the person in the past. So, pwedeng open ka naman regarding sa emotions mo para sa kanya. Ano naman yung emotion niya para sa'yo? Knight of Pentacles is here. King of Swords. Ace of Swords, you could be dealing with someone na pwedeng may mga offer regarding money. This could be a person who is very professional eh. Sa ngayon, importante kasi kung ano yung mga bagay na nasa isipan niya. The Emperor is here, so this is a father figure. Ganito yung energy na kukuha ko. If ever that you're dealing with someone na mahal mo, open ka doon. But, pwede itong person na to is mas ginagamit yung utak or yung isip niya ngayon. And the Emperor, pwede mo siyang matigas ang puso nitong person na to. This person is missing someone or may iniisip siya na someone na malayo or missing a person, and you do have your The Hangman. Pwedeng may hinihintay or naghihintay sa person na ito. Might be kaya naiisipan niyang umiwas or lumayo sa'yo. And then yung iba naman sa inyo, kung ang kakonect mo is the one who is in a relationship, in another relationship, this person wants to offer you something. So gusto niya mag-offer, nasa isip niya na yon, kaya lang problema, might be itong person na to is, yun nga, could be in a relationship, stuck. What will happen in the near future para sa inyong dalawa? Please do comment down below na kahit heart lang. Malaking bagay yun kasi sa akin. Four of Swords is here. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Seven of Swords. Clarify the Four of Swords and the Seven of Swords. Hindi ko ito kunin, masyadong marami lumabas. Queen of Swords. Some of you, wala kang magagawa but to get out of the situation or sa ngayon wala kang magawa. In the future, wala kang magawa dito. But I can see that this person pwedeng mag-cut off talaga siya. Or you, whoever, but I can see pagka-cut off. And like a decision regarding family or, this really hurts. Sobrang sakit. Kaya parang, in the future, there's a lot of problem na magiging dahilan para magkaroon ng decision regarding pagka-cut off or maybe some kind of separation or an ending. The High Priestess is here. May spiritual connection kayo ng person ito. But, I can see that maraming lesson ang naibigay or naituro na tong person na to sa buhay mo. And like, once na nakuha mo na yung lesson na yon, you have to move on, move forward, and focus on your beginnings na lang sa sarili mo. If ever that you are the one na yung person mo is may kakonect pang iba, this person is your soulmate, and i-offer niya yung mga bagay na in-offer niya sa'yo noon. Parang hindi pa rin yung nababago. And the fall, I feel like this person is going to take the risk here. Magte-take siya ng risk dito. And yeah. That's it for now. Take only what resonates doon. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. Sana po nakakuha kayo ng message doon. And please do like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. At yung Facebook page namin, Madam Space P Space sa dulo para mas madali mo siyang ma-search. And then, if you want to buy etong mga products na available sa amin such as Evil Eye, crystals, ayan, mga Lucky Charm, you can go sa aming Facebook, sa aming TikTok shop, Unipri, UNIPRI. Yan, don't forget. I love you all. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.